I love making my own backgrounds for Classkick, so I'm going to show you how I do that. I start with Google Slides, and we need to reformat the slide. Go to File, scroll down to Page Setup. We're going to go to Custom and change to Pixels. Then the width will be 2004. And the height will be 4008. And apply. At this point, I pick what background I'd like. I am going to work with a black cat today, so I think I'll put it on orange. Now I'm going to my image site. There's plenty of images out there for teachers, and I will put black cat. All right, so I think I like this little guy here. Save image as. I will be very creative and save him as cat. Then I remove the background so I don't have a white rectangle around him. I go to remove.bg. There I upload the image. Go back to my desktop, find cat. There he is. And they've removed the background. Click download. Now go back to your slide, and from here insert image, upload from computer. Now he's going to show up really small, so of course you make him the size that you want. And then go to File, Download, PNG. Now we go to Classkick. And when you're saving your own backgrounds, you need to put it on a document. So I actually have my backgrounds arranged because you can't change their order after you import them. So I'm going to go, I've been working on Halloween, Thanksgiving. We're going to put the cat here. Go to Import Background. Click Next. And there he is. So I hope you enjoy making your own backgrounds.